Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search books on the Everand application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Now, if you want to search books, go to the lower bar at the screen, click to the Discover button, and here you can search about the title, author, genre or topic, and you can search, for example, different categories. For example, I want to search the romance books. In the upper left corner of the screen you can find the everything button. Click that the arrow and you can find the everything, the audiobooks, the ebooks or the podcast button. If you want to search books, click to the ebooks button and you can check different just books. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.